We are naturally wired to connect. And the way we live, well, it's changing the way we spend our time together. Introducing Griffin, a revolutionary Wi-Fi system that acts as a digital gatekeeper for the truly connected family. Unlike existing solutions, Griffin pairs power with simplicity. Just download the app, pair it with your Griffin router, and you're ready to view and manage all the connected devices in your home. With screen time management, you can easily balance internet time with family time. Griffin also allows you to set specific filter levels for each child in your home. When you're unsure if a site is appropriate or not, simply use crowd ranking, Griffin's aggregated approval ratings. Griffin doesn't only protect your children from unfavorable areas of the internet, it protects you and your entire home from unwanted intrusions, ransomware, and viruses. But Griffin is more than the protector of your digitally connected home. It's the guardian of human connections that happen inside. A reminder to set down the screens and to take in the smiles. Griffin, love the connection.
Everything started 3 years ago with this, the smallest keyring cable ever seen. In a world where smartphones have become such an important part of our day, battery life remains the toughest challenge. This is the problem we set to solve when we first came up with InCharge. InCharge is a compact cable meant to be kept on your keys at all times. We all hate having our phone die when we most need it. Luckily, nowadays USB ports are everywhere, so all we need is the right cable to top up our battery. After gathering feedback from thousands of backers during our first 2 campaigns and working hard to find new aesthetic and technical solutions, we are now excited to finally present you our next product, InCharge Dual. Thanks to a brand new multi-directional connector that unifies iPhone and micro USB plugs, you can now have a unique product that charges both Apple and Android smartphones, as well as Bluetooth speakers, headphones, power banks, e-cigs, AirPods, and much more. We have developed new materials for the cable, such as premium eco leather, which look great and increase the durability. And it's also weatherproof. But we didn't stop there. Since most smartphones are now moving to USB-C, we designed an adapter that fits perfectly with InCharge Dual, keeping the same sleek design while expanding its functionality. Introducing InCharge All-in-One, the effortless solution for having all the cables you need in one single product that fits in your keychain. After spending the past months prototyping and finding the right components, we are now ready for mass production.
Hi, I'm Ryan.
And I'm Elias.
We are part of the team behind Sonic Soak.
Sonic Soak is a smartphone-sized device that uses ultrasound technology to clean almost anything in ways never before possible.
It cleans to the microscopic level, beyond what any laundry machine or cleaning spray can do. The inspiration for this device came from the fact that we were frequent travelers, and cleaning our clothes while on the go was always a hassle, so we had to set out to find a good solution.
It's also quiet and can be used to clean more than clothes. It can clean glasses, jewelry, fruits, razors, baby bottles, products that are tough to clean using sponges or rags or your hands or soap and water.
I think they get the idea, Elias.
Okay, I just want to be clear. This is the best way to clean pretty much anything.
Sonic Soak works by generating ultrasonic sound waves that create microscopic high-pressure bubbles to wash away dirt, grime, and oils.
We had no idea at the time that we'd come up with was a device that had so many benefits outside of travelers wanting an easy way to wash clothes while on the go.
It's also simple to use. You simply place it in water, add some soap, turn on the built-in timer, and walk away. Minutes later, your clothes are cleaner than ever before.
Sonic Soak is designed for travelers, moms, neat freaks looking for a thorough cleanse, and not just on clothes, by the way, but on fruits and vegetables too. Folks with small loads of laundry, fashionistas that need a better solution for their gentle cycle or hand wash only clothes, folks that don't have the space for a full-size laundry machine. Really, it's for anyone who wants a cleaner, well, almost anything. Because Sonic Soak is more than a great way to clean your laundry, it can clean just about anything you can stick in the water with it.
So if you like things clean, free from all those nasty things you can only see up close, Sonic Soak is your solution.
Sonic Soak is ready to be shipped just after our campaign ends. We just need you to help make it happen.
Which means you can have a cleaner almost anything in practically no time once we end this campaign successfully. So please help us bring Sonic Soak to mass production and experience clean like never before. Now you can enjoy a cleaner lifestyle wherever you go.
Why choose one decor when you can turn your wall into an interactive canvas? Meet Scribble, the world's first write and erase robot that creates a different image whenever you want. 2 nails and a plug is all you need to install Scribble. And thanks to the app, it's always connected. Create an image or source it from the web, then upload it to the app and Scribble will reproduce it on your wall within minutes. And if you get tired of the design, no worries. Scribble will just erase it, and you can start over again. You can connect Scribble to your favorite apps and show you the latest news and weather forecast, or even your Twitter updates. Any surface is game: whiteboard, glass, or standard plaster. And with 4 color options, the possibilities are endless. The only limit is your imagination. Turn your wall into a wonder wall with Scribble.
Today we need information, but we spend too much time in front of screens, from our smartphones, computers, TVs. So the question is, how can we get information and data, but without adding more screens to our lives?
What I love about Scribble is that it can literally turn every surface you have around you into something dynamic. Surfaces that can show data, art, or murals that remind you of the good times. And it's an amazing way not just to help you work, live, but also to interact with other people.